pushed me off the top of the greenery, you see. I saw red and I spat blood, and what else could I do? I was only 5. Now the rest is all a memory. Yes, you see, it's a memory, you see. As far as I can see, there's change for you and me. What can it mean? Oh, what can it I walked out on the water, and up to me my Savior came. I said, Jesus, you sure look tired. He said, Christ, you sure look the same. I know this song can make some people mad, but I sang this song in church. I tell you, boys, I sure am glad I'm hanging here in this lurch. And the man said to me, boy, give yourself a chance. Give yourself a chance. Let the world enhance the word you say. Give yourself a chance. I've got Herb Dewey's signature on the inside of my textbook. I opened it up to put my name there, and I didn't take another look. Oh, I've been in school a year now, and I'm sick unto death. I'm gonna take me a small break now, so as I can catch my breath. Yeah, give yourself a chance. Yeah, well, give yourself a chance. Let the world enhance the word you say. And give yourself a chance. Give yourself a chance. Up yourself. There we go. I said I walked out on the water, and up to me my Savior came. I said, Jesus looked out, he said, Christ, you sure look the same. I know this song may make some people mad, but I sang this song in church. I tell you, boys, I sure am glad I'm hanging here in this lurch. The man said, boy, give yourself a chance. Oh, he said, give yourself a chance. Let the world enhance the word you say. Give yourself a chance, yes, and